I'm going to show you how to make sure that you can access Google assignments that are embedded into a Canvas course. If you're a student and you come to the page where the Google assignment should be embedded, but are coming up with a blank page, so if you look here, there should actually be an embedded Google form right here, but there's not. If it is white or blank like that, what that means is you're probably not signed in to your Google account in Chrome. So, and this is all for a Chrome browser. So the thing you need to do is you go up and you open a new tab, and notice if there's a little person here that's not your little emblem, you need to sign in. So you hold your finger down on that, you click it open to sign in, and there's a little spot here. It says sign in to Chrome. You're going to want to click on that. Now, I've signed in on my Chrome before, so my name is actually already here. However, and if you have that same thing, you just click on your name. However, if you've not signed in on Chrome before, you need to add an account, which is at the bottom. So you click Add Account. And this is where you put your information. Now, because Google is an education account for our school, you also have to include the last part of your email. So, for example, my email is steves_t, and I must include @4j.lane.edu. That's going to require me to authenticate. The difference here is you do not include the 4J component. So you just put your username. So STEEVES_T, and then I would move and put in my password. Now, I'm not going to click sign in because I've already signed in on here. So I'm going to go back and select my name. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to click yes and accept and sign, and I'm in. And then you can just go up here, right here, and click done. Now, if I go back to my other tab where I was in Canvas, and I go and I click the little refresh button, which is, it looks like a loopy arrow. If I click that, now my Google form that was embedded is showing up. So it has to be able to be accessed through a 4J account. So if you are not seeing the embedded information from Google, make sure that you're signed into your Google account in Chrome. If you have any questions, let me know.